Hi all, Karthik here, co-founder at Fastwood Interiors Pvt Limited. Come with me for an exciting behind-the-scenes look at how we craft stunning interiors straight from our factory to your home. At Fastwood, it's all factory direct, from sleek kitchens to stylish wardrobes, elegant TV units to vanities. We design all in-house, build in our facility, and install it all right here under one roof. Think of our machines as the Ferraris of the interior manufacturing, sleek, powerful, and engineered for precision. These German giants deliver flawless finishes time after time. Meet the heavyweight champ, the cold press machine. With 100 tons of muscle, it fuses laminate to plywood and sets the stage for everything that follows next. At our facility, we feel the mighty beam saw doesn't cut, it commands. Linked with our software, it delivers precision cuts like a clockwork. Fast, clean, flawless. I always feel if beam saw is the muscle, Altendorf is the artist. It gives us those beautiful angular cuts and chamfer cuts that make every unit stand out. Then comes the Homag edge bander, giving every panel a neat, seamless finish with edge banding and built-in cleaning agents for that premium look. This is where things get super precise. The Homag CNC machine follows software commands to drill, groove, and shape with micrometric accuracy. It's a total game changer. At Fastwood, we say our job isn't done until it's packed with perfection. Every piece is safely boxed and dispatched with our factory direct to your doorstep. And here's the exciting part. We've set up live display units right inside our facility. Step in and experience our finished kitchens, wardrobes, crockery units, and TV panels, just the way they roll out from our factory. See the finish, feel the quality, and witness the magic of factory direct interiors up close.